So I thought I would do today's spend the day with me in a little bit of a different style, just to mix things up a little bit. So the first half of this video is going to be a voiceover, and then there's some more chatty vlog clips towards the end. But this is basically going to be a typical day in my life now that I have my home and I'm living alone. So I tend to get up at about 8 o'clock, and I have double blinds in my bedroom, which I actually really love that I added to the house because it means that I can sleep with a partially sheer blind, so it helps to wake me up a lot easier in the morning. So I'll get up, I'll go and put my hair up. I always have to get it out of my face in the morning. I also like to make my bed and obviously brush my teeth as well. And then today I went downstairs and made a coffee. I've really got back into having coffee in the morning recently just because I feel like my energy's been super low. Like I felt very tired. So I make what I guess is an iced latte. So I have ice with 3 shots of espresso, and then I add a good amount of milk to my glass and also some skinny syrup. I think this one is the salted caramel one. I love the skinny syrups. They're really, really great at sweetening, but obviously they have no sugar, no calories. And then yeah, I have oat milk because I just love oat milk in coffee, in cereal. It's pretty much all I drink now in terms of milk. And then whilst I'm having my iced coffee, I will basically just do any little bits of tidying that I didn't do the night before. I've actually become quite like the clean freak since having my house. I don't know if anyone else can relate to this, but I really, really love to keep my space clean, and I often do most of my cleaning and tidying the night before because I always feel so much better going to bed when the house is just clean and tidy. But anything that I've not got around to doing, I'll tend to just do now because I always feel better when the house is clean and tidy. Obviously I work from home a lot as well, so I just like having a really nice tidy environment. So I was just doing some little bits and bobs here, and then I went ahead and made my breakfast. So today I had Weetabix. I just wanted something really simple, really quick and easy to make. Again, I had that with oat milk. I feel like for breakfast I tend to have either Weetabix or maybe porridge if I'm feeling like I want something hot. But yeah, this is what I had this morning. So I just sat down and ate my breakfast. I will either sit at the table or I'll sit on the sofa, but today I just wanted to sit at the table, have a moment just to check my phone again, go through any emails, any things that I've missed, anything to catch up on, and just have a nice peaceful sit down and start to the morning. I had also put a load of washing on this morning as well. So once I'd had my breakfast and the washing machine was done, I went outside and put the washing out to dry. I don't know why, but of all tasks that I do in terms of chores, this one makes me feel the most adult. Like this one makes me feel the most like I have a house and I'm a homeowner for some reason. But I love when it's sunny outside and I can just put the washing out to dry. So I went ahead and did that. And then I recently got sent this water bottle from Air Up, which I really wanted to try. I was really intrigued by the concept of this because it basically flavors your water via air. I love to drink water. It's something that I always have to do, obviously, throughout the day. I try and drink 3 to 4 bottles a day, I would say, and I'm always looking for new ways to try flavored water because I love drinking squash, I love drinking cordial, but obviously there's a lot of sugar and additives and things like that in there. So I really loved the concept of this because you literally get the flavor through smell, and it goes through your nose into the back of your mouth, which helps with the taste. So it's really simple to use. You pick some of the flavored pods. I chose the mango passion fruit one to have today, and then you go ahead and fill your water bottle up. I always like to put ice in my water as well. I like my water to be super cold, and then you go ahead and remove one of the pods from the packaging and attach it to the lid like so. It's really easy to do because of the shape of the pods and also the lid. And then you go ahead and place the lid on, and you can actually choose to drink this either with the scent or without, like with the flavor or without. So when you pull it up, that means that it's activated, and when you push it back down, it means that it's not activated. So I really love the fact that you can drink both ways, and then you can just go ahead and sip through the straw. You don't have to tip the water bottle or anything like that, and you're good to go. So definitely a great option if you want something healthier, because obviously it doesn't have sugar or anything like that, and the packaging on the pods is also recyclable, which is really great too. So big thank you to Arup for sponsoring this part of the video. I'm going to leave information and links to their products down below. I then went ahead and had a quick body shower just to freshen myself up, and then I went ahead and did my hair and my makeup for the day. So in terms of makeup, I just did what I would class as like my everyday makeup routine now. I have actually done a video on this makeup look, which I will put on the screen here if you're interested and you want something a little bit more in depth. But I really love this makeup routine now. It takes such a small amount of time, like I can do it quite quickly, which is what I really like about it. So I pretty much just focus on my brows, and then things like moisturizer, sunscreen, which is what I'm using here. This is the Supergoop sunscreen, which I still really love. And then I pretty much just spot conceal and do things like cream bronzer and cream blush. Cream blush is like quickly become one of my favorite steps in my everyday makeup routine. So yeah, I just went ahead and did my makeup. I then went ahead and did my hair for the day, and I decided to wave it. I've really been enjoying waving my hair recently. I feel like I've kind of somehow figured out how to do this on my own hair now. I don't know why I never used to like this hairstyle on me, because my hair is naturally quite frizzy, but now that I use certain products afterwards, I feel like it looks a lot better. So I just go ahead and wave it with the Beauty Works waver, and I always do the bottom sections first and then the top sections last. I just feel like the waves come out a little bit better. And then these are the products that I used on top. So anything that is like a hair oil or something that's going to help with frizziness or humidity, that is what I tend to reach for. And I almost want the waves to look a little bit wet, so I go a little bit heavier with these products than I usually would. And yeah, I really love the way that it turns out. So this is my hair and makeup for the day. I then had some content that I wanted to get done, and I recently picked up some new pieces on Zara, PLT and ASOS. So you'll have to let me know what you think of these pieces. This skirt especially, I'm not too sure on. It's currently sat potentially going back in the box, as well as this denim dress. I wanted to get some reels done, so I went ahead and pretty much spent my afternoon doing that until it was time for lunch. I love going food shopping at the minute. I don't know about anyone else. I love nipping to the shop and getting some bits out for lunch or dinner or whatever it is. So I nipped down to the shop and got some bits for me, and then also some stuff for Dan for when he's next around, because toasty bread, for example, he literally cannot live without that stuff. But yeah, this is everything that I got on this particular day, in case you want to know, in case you want to see the kind of things that I get. Fab lollies as well, I will just say, are the best ever. But I went ahead and made some lunch. This is my favorite lunch right now. It's so easy to make. It's a Nando's inspired chicken wrap. So I use mini chicken fillets, and then this Nando's quick marinade. I've tried quite a few of the Nando's seasoning products, and this is by far the best one that I've tried. So I leave that to marinate for 30 minutes or so, and then I go ahead and put some oil in a pan. Obviously you could use fry light as well, and then I pan fry all of the chicken fillets with some Cajun seasoning and also some lemon thrown into the pan as well, and I'll literally just cook them until they are nice and juicy and good to go. I don't know what it is about this marinade, but the chicken always turns out so good and so juicy. So I pop that on a plate to the side, and then I go ahead and get my wraps ready. This is something else that I love to do. The 0% fat yogurt from Faye, I want to say it's pronounced, is so good, and obviously a little bit healthier than something like mayonnaise. I do like to have cheese on mine as well, so I add the cheese and then the chicken, and then I also put a little bit of lettuce on today as well, and then I just sealed the wrap in a dry pan. Honestly, for those of you that eat chicken, you'll have to try this recipe at some point because it's so easy to do and it really is my favorite thing to eat right now. So I went ahead and had that for my lunch, and then I just spent the rest of the afternoon editing. So I actually worked upstairs in my bedroom today. I feel like sometimes I like to sit at the table, sometimes I'll sit on the sofa. On this particular day, I just sat in my room and did editing and answered some emails. And then I went out for dinner, which is where the normal vlog clips are gonna commence. So I know I've done this entire video as a voiceover up until now, but I thought I would switch over to my actual vlogging camera just for the rest of the day. Yeah, I kind of wanted to try something different. Obviously, if you prefer normal styles of vlog, then let me know. But I'm just about to go to dinner with the girls. I've literally just kept this blue top on, which I tried on from my Zara order. I literally put this on and I've just kept it on, so I'm just gonna go with it because I am actually running a little bit late. So yeah, this is the full look. I've got some trainer socks here and I'm gonna put some trainers on to go with. I've just got this little like nude bag as well. I really love these jeans. They have this kind of like V waistband, so they dip down a little bit in the middle, which I really like. They actually fit perfectly and the length of these is perfect as well, so I'll link them down below if you want to check them out. I got them on ASOS. My lawnmower arrived today as well. I feel like such an adult at this point. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna do my little grey and white dunks for shoes. Honestly, I feel like today has literally flown by. But yeah, we're going to yours for dinner, which is probably one of our like favorite places to go out and eat. We've not actually been in a while. I literally filmed one clip of dinner, so that was kind of underwhelming of me. But we had such a nice evening. It was like such a chilled dinner. Madden's going to Ibiza on Saturday with her family, so it was the last time that we were going to see her before her birthday, so we just wanted to have like a little like cozy dinner, which is pretty much all that we did. Honestly, we'll never get over the food at yours. It is so delicious. I think they've got like new sushi and stuff as well, so like everything that we had was so yummy. But yeah, I had dinner, I just got back, and I thought I would just round this video off with some skincare because that's pretty much all I'm going to do for the rest of the night. I don't know what it is at the minute. I've become such like an, what's the word, not an early bird, that's like getting up early. What's the term? I don't know. I've just been going to bed really early in the evening. My energy's just been super low. I don't know if it's because I'm like due on or something to do with like my hormones, but I've literally been so shattered every single day recently, which is really unlike me. I feel like I'm usually such a night owl, like I'm usually up until 12, 1 o'clock, whereas now it's like 10 p.m. and I'm literally ready to go to sleep. So I'm gonna take my makeup off. I bought this little like scrunchy thing on Amazon. Is anyone else like obsessed with the, I think it was the one on Vogue, the beauty routines that like different celebrities do? I saw Billie Eilish do one. I think it was her like nighttime skin routine, and she had this little like bow headband, and I was like, that is the cutest thing ever. I mean, I look absolutely crazy, but I don't even care. I'm gonna go with it because I have nothing like this to like scrape my hair out of my face when I'm trying to like remove makeup and stuff, fully exposing my absolute massive forehead, but it is what it is. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight as well. I really just want to like cleanse. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm really just like, I'm in the mood to be in the shower for like 20-30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly wash my hands just before I do any of my skincare. Usually I would use my micellar water to remove my makeup, but I've run out of like cotton pads, so we're gonna improvise, and I'm gonna use this by Fenty Skin. This is their Total Cleanser. It just looks like so. I want to say this is like a mini version of it. Sorry, I don't actually feel like that's focusing. I desperately need to get a new camera because this camera is on its last legs at this point. Literally, how do people do this? Because I find it so hard to like scrub my face when I'm not in the shower. Showered, washed my hair, I shaved. I feel brand new, like I feel so much better. I've just thrown this robe on, which is the robe that Rach got me. It's still one of my favorite gifts to this day. Like it's literally the coziest robe in the world. I think I'm just gonna keep my skincare like really simple tonight. So I'm gonna pop some night cream on. I've got a few here in this cupboard because I keep all of my night creams in this cupboard. Which one do I want to use? Oh, I've literally had such a lovely day. I feel like I'm really I don't know, I'm really like enjoying just being at home at the minute and like working from home and just going out here and there. I literally love my home so much now. I know that probably sounds really silly to say because obviously I was always gonna love it, but I definitely had like a bit of anxiety, I guess, about living by myself, just because the last time that I did it, I really did not like it. And don't get me wrong, I feel like I'm not often alone. Like me and Dan spend pretty much every single night together, or if I'm not with Dan, I'm with the girls, or I'm with Millie, or I'm with my mum and dad. Like I'm always with someone, but I actually really, I don't know, really like treasure these nights where I'm just like on my own and I just have like my own space, and I really love my house. Like I love how I've decorated it. I'm so just proud of it, and I just feel like it's so cozy, which makes me really happy. I always really look forward to coming home and getting into bed. Sorry, such a side note, but I'm gonna use these as well. These are the Nip and Fab Hyaluronic Fix Extreme Jelly Eye Patches. They just look like so. Paris literally got me hooked on these when we went to Coachella together. She brought these, and also a Nip and Fab. In fact, do I have it in here? I have it in here because I also bought it because of Paris. This is the Salicylic Fix Clay Mask, which I'm not going to use today just because I want to keep it nice and simple and easy. But she brought both of these products to Coachella. She did the mask and the eye patches every single morning. I ended up stealing her eye patches every single morning as well because they're just so good. Like they're so soothing on the eyes. It's actually a really nice thing to do in the morning. But I've not done them this morning, so I'm going to do them tonight. Packaging's a bit annoying. Yeah, they're just like these little jelly patches. Dan is obsessed with these as well now. Does anyone else love doing like their boyfriend's skincare? Like I love doing like a face mask, like the full works on Dan. Like I'll literally be like, right, lie down, I'm gonna pamper you. I never actually really know which way to put these on, to be honest, because I feel like they could go both ways, but today I'm gonna put them on that way. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave these on and get into bed. I'm not gonna brush my teeth yet just because I might go down and have a snack. I do love a nighttime snack, I can't lie. I've taken off the eye patches and I've just tanned my face as well. And yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna go to bed now. Do you know what? I was saying that I'd like have become such an early sleeper. It's now midnight. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching as always. I hope you're having a lovely week and I will see you in the next video.